Stellantis, BIT-STLA. Market segment Euronext Milan. Stellantis NV is a multinational group active in the automotive sector. Specifically, Stellantis develops, produces, and markets motor vehicles, bicycles and e-bikes, motorbikes, and light commercial vehicles. Stellantis was formed by the merger of Peugeot and Fiat Chrysler in the first quarter of 2021 on January 16. The volume of unit sales in 2021 makes Stellantis the fourth largest car maker worldwide behind Toyota with 10.5 million, Volkswagen with 8.6 million, and the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi Alliance with 7.9 million. Stellantis shares are traded on the Milan, Paris, and New York stock exchanges. A brief history of Stellantis. As I mentioned before, Stellantis is an automotive group formed on January 16, 2021 by the merger of the Italian-American FCA and the French PSA. Rumors about a possible merger had been circulating since October 2019. The shareholders' meetings of the two groups then voted unanimously for the merger, thus, the integration procedures were immediately initiated and completed in the first weeks of 2021. Among the largest shareholders of FCA is EXOR, 29%, the financial holding of the Agnelli family. While PSA's largest shareholders include Pyfrance, 12.2%, a French public bank, and Dongfeng Motor, 12.2%, a Chinese car manufacturer, the Peugeot family still retains 2.91%, a share that will increase further after the merger. The merger between FCA and PSA created the world's fourth largest automobile manufacturer, capable of meeting diverse market needs by offering a diversified product portfolio. These include luxury and premium cars, utilities, SUVs and pickups, light commercial vehicles, mobility services, financial services, spare parts, and after-sales service. The numbers of Stellantis. Let's now take a closer look at the size of the group, starting with the numbers. 18 are the automotive brands in the portfolio, including Abarth, Alfa Romeo, Chrysler, Citroën, Dodge, DS Automobiles, of course, Fiat and Fiat Professional, Jeep, Lancia, Maserati, Mopar, Opel, of course, Peugeot, Ram Trucks, and Vauxhall. Also to be added are the free 2Move and Leasys brands, which offer mobility solutions. 30 are the countries where Stellantis has production sites, owned or in joint ventures. 130 are the markets in which it operates commercially. Dividends. The merger agreement resulted in FCA distributing an excellent dividend of 5.05% to its shareholders. Stellantis competition. As we said, Stellantis ranks as the fourth largest automotive group worldwide. So let's find out who occupies the first three positions and the next three in order to understand the car market better. Volkswagen. The German group is the world's largest car manufacturer, with more than 10 million vehicles leaving its plants in 2019. Toyota. The Japanese car manufacturer boasts 9.7 million cars produced. Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi Alliance. The group, based in the Netherlands, has a production of over 9 million cars. General Motors. The US carmaker is set to produce 7.7 million cars in 2019. Hyundai/Kia. The Korean group produced 7.2 million vehicles in 2019. Ford. The US company boasts 4.9 million cars produced. Honda. The Japanese carmaker produced 4.8 million vehicles in 2019. Daimler. The German company, which among others owns the Mercedes brand, has a production of 2.6 million cars. Risks and uncertainty. Stellantis risks include cyclical global demand for light vehicles, international trade conflict, merger integration execution risk, volatile raw material costs, and a unionized workforce. Stellantis has some exposure to environmental, social, and governance risks. That's why I think now is a great time to buy Stellantis shares. Stellantis is increasingly well positioned to ride the wave of the shift from fuel-powered to electric cars. With its Dare Forward 2030 plan, it is working towards 100% of sales in Europe and 50% of sales in the US being battery electric vehicles by the end of the decade. The last, but not least, factor that prompted us to recommend this stock in Best Stocks Italia was the highly discounted price of the stock. Stellantis currently trades at a PE of only 2.82, which is extremely discounted to the market average. The stock is currently at about -30% of its historical highs with a price of €12.80.